If you haven't been living under a rock, you must know what AI is. If you know what AI is, then you must have heard about Perplexity, an AI search engine trying to defy Google's supremacy. So let's see what's all the hype about and dive in with my half-baked editing. So I open up Google and search up Perplexity the Menace. We poor people get so impressed by seeing that smoking.ai domain. I want that too, so if you want to help me buy it, by my only FA nevermind, let's get back to the video. What the foo is that? I have definitely seen this shitty middle circular box UI with extension buttons somewhere, I swear. A sidebar with chats, and this copy. Very, very original, I see. So much new design. The box and the name is so unique, I wonder. So instead of using one same OpenAI UI copy, let's make our own Perplexity in 24 hours. So now let's create a new workspace and create two files, main for Python, index for HTML. Since I'm using Flask, I'll format the files in that way. I'm going to try to elaborate my words, so you subscribe to my channel now and join Fethrai. So I open up VS Code and start coding the prototype of the project, and instantly realize my code is dumb, and a search agent in the terminal won't look good and video would be too short, and the code isn't even working since no search. No AI LLM, no wife, no good looks. Oh my god, I don't even know how long that took. It took ages to code this piece of simulated AI search code in Python and HTML. My brain is more fried than the French fries in your meal. If this doesn't work, I'll cry. Alright, so this is the output. Shitty as hell. Why do I make bad UIs? Anyway, let's test the AI functionality. This is taking long. Alright, so the AI works, and so does the source sample. Well, everything works except my brain, which is offline, most times 24/7. After fighting with cats for a while, I decided to stylize the UI, once for all, and implement the real searching functions. Time to make Claude do the labor, so I can get some rest time. Let's go! I wish I had Claude 4 Opus, so I could roleplay with it. I'm still on free plan. I would use Fethrai, but I don't want to waste my providers for now. Well, this took another lifespan, but finally I've coded and stylized the UI to look better and not suck. The search functionality is now better than ever, and now it's very cool. The UI looks really good now. Let's ask the AI, who is the president of USA. Since I'm using an old model with context date, as 2023, it should say properly. Impressive. Now it shows all the proper sources, and the AI says the president name, with streaming responses, but I see it has a questionable response. Let's fix that. Alright, finally, it took so long, damn it. Now let's ask it what is the latest Claude model. It should be confident now, and not error out. If it does, I'm gonna fail my challenge, and it's just gonna be a clickbait video. Oh my god, it shows the sources, and it's streaming. Yes, finally. It works, and it tells the correct model name, and is confident. It turned out perfectly. The UI is so cool with that search icon. I love it. Alright, the end of the video. I hope you all liked it. It's short, but it took long time. And yeah, I just made the thing out of a random idea. My opinion? Just fing use Google. At least there will be one way to move your greasy fingers on the keyboard instead of making AI do all your stuff. Have a Perplexity way day.